Hey guys, let's recreate Becky G's makeup look using clean and non-toxic beauty products. I prime my lids with concealer. Now I'm grabbing the Jane Iredale Naturally Matte eyeshadow palette, grabbing the lightest shade, applying it all over the crease in swiping motion. Then I'm grabbing a darker shadow and applying that on my crease line as well, bringing it out, applying some concealer just to cut the crease. Then I'm going to apply the lighter shade on top of it. And I'm going to mix these two colors and apply it on the bottom of my lid just to smoke it. I'm going to do a cat eye wing, so I'm grabbing a liquid liner, then cleaning the outer edge, applying some brown concealer on my top and bottom waterline. Top and bottom, I'm going to apply some mascara and then concealer on the bottom, and look at how snatched that looks. I'm going to set that with a foundation, applying some powder just to bring back color to my face, and a cream blush has been my go-to. And for my lips, I apply a lip liner, but I made it work, you guys. And look at this gorgeous lip gloss by Jane Iredale. It is just so beautiful. It is my go-to, you guys. I love it, and I hope you guys love the celebrity inspired makeup look using all clean and non-toxic beauty products.